Hi. A Delhi court has sent Disha Ravi to 3 more days of judicial custody. The public prosecutor appearing for Delhi police argued that Disha had allegedly been evasive during her questioning. He's also claiming that she allegedly shifted blame onto Nikita Jacob and Shantanu Muluk, the 2 other people who have non-bailable warrants against them in that Toolkit FIR. And because Shantanu was going to join the probe on the 22nd of February, it was important that Disha be made to confront him. So the police asked for 3 more days of judicial custody, and they got it. The court saw merit in that argument. Now, I also want to use this video to issue a correction. In the video titled The Disha Ravi Toolkit published on Monday, I had said that when Disha Ravi was produced in Delhi's Patiala House Court on Sunday, she did not have legal representation. This is incorrect. In a post on Tuesday, we put the Delhi police version saying she was given a lawyer, but in the absence of court records at the time, we attributed it only as a claim. Court records were made public soon after. They reveal that counsel Pramod Singh from the legal cell was appointed to represent her. What is confirmed and surprising is that he made no submissions in court regarding his client. The order also reveals submissions of the investigating police officer have been recorded. Also, what Disha said in the court that was reported by the media about editing only 2 lines, etc., have not been recorded in the court order as well. Meanwhile, at a hearing at the Delhi High Court today on the so-called media trial in this case, the court has ruled that the media coverage showed some sensational reporting. It has asked 3 news channels in specific and others in general to exercise editorial restraint and caution, but it refused to put a stay on media coverage of the case as Disha had asked for in her petition. The Delhi police have also been asked to follow what are Home Ministry prescribed guidelines and abide by a signed affidavit saying they won't leak any information to the press. Now, all of this is in response to Disha's allegation that the police were leaking information like her WhatsApp chats and Telegram chats to the press. In fact, all of this started happening shortly after a police press conference on the 15th of February in which they said some incriminating evidence had been found. The police are, of course, denying any leaks. I'll leave it for you to think over where the truth lies in this matter. One more point I want to flag from today's hearing. Senior advocate Akhil Sibbal was appearing for Disha Ravi, and at one point during the hearing, he says Disha was arrested, brought to Delhi, deposed before a magistrate. Quote, no information was given to her lawyer about when she would be produced, but the media was there in large numbers, unquote. Disha's lawyers have continued to claim that the police did not tell them when and where she was going to be produced. The police are counter-alleging that Disha's lawyers deliberately didn't show up as a tactic so that Disha would be sent to judicial custody instead of police custody. Let me just explain that. Now, the broad feeling is that if she had her own lawyer, the court would be less lenient and send Disha to a police lockup for further interrogation as opposed to judicial custody, which is where she was sent on Friday. Now, Disha's mother has reiterated she doesn't want to talk to the media about this case, so it's very hard to verify the circumstances of what happened when she was detained. The police say she was informed of the arrest, as was Bengaluru police, but the Bengaluru police have said different things at different times, including saying that they have no clue about Disha's detention. Now, the court, which is the Sessions Court, will be hearing Disha's bail plea tomorrow, and we'll keep you updated on that development as well. I'll stop here for the moment. If you've been watching, thank you for your time.